Over 12 years, MotorcycleSuperstore.com has been a leading online supplier of aftermarket parts, accessories, and apparel, offering the lowest prices and fastest shipping in the market. Do you need MotorcycleSuperstore.com?
And now, would you welcome, from the AMA, Kevin Crowther with a special presentation.
All the hard work and dedication and preparation all paid off with Dean Wilson, and to present the honors of the 2011 AMA 250 Motocross fight is AMA's Kevin Crowther.
Thank you, and congratulations, Dean, to you and your team on an outstanding season. It gives me great pleasure on behalf of the AMA MX Sports Coalition to present you with the 2011 This morning, you didn't really want to even talk about the championship. You wanted to put it in the back of your mind and go out and do it. You knew how to do it. You executed that. What does it mean to pull this off today? It's just unbelievable. This is, I'm not lying about it. This is a dream come true. I've literally sat and dreamed about this. And, oh man, I'm so happy. I'm so emotional. I mean, this is just crazy. And I just want to dedicate this one to my papa in Scotland. And my mom and dad, they can't be here. I'm really, really upset with that here. But we're traveling a little back in Chad region now to get it back to California. We're doing it all for me and my whole team. Most runs are like Kawasaki, Thor, Dunlop, Parts and everything. Toyota best computer, fully just suspension guy, Mitch, so much.
Receiving that #1 play for the 250cc championship, doing the thing on TV with Aaron Benson, and just a great day for him.